Just got the duraflex. Got the wing. This is the rear bumper. All of them came in mint condition, no dents, no holes, everything's smooth. I had bought some like 5 years ago and they had a lot of pinholes. These don't. The only one I see are right there. They're super small. And that's about it. Like, they're super mint. And this one only had one problem. The little had a crack right here. I think that was from shipment, but I already sanded it down from underneath too. And I'm about to fix it right now. But with this kit, fiberglass sweep hair kit. I finished putting it on. It's right there. It's pretty easy. It comes with everything. It comes with the little plastic tray. I put 6 teaspoons of the resin, a 1/4 of teaspoon of the hardener. You mix it, and the only thing you have to buy is a paintbrush. You buy the paintbrush, this guy, and then you put 1 layer of the resin, and then you put a cloth, and then you put another layer on top of the cloth of the resin, and you put another cloth, and then layer it again, and then another cloth. Put 4 cloths, and then top it off with another layer of resin, and I'm just let it dry for 2 hours. And then the other side I'm gonna put some Bondo and then smooth it out, and I'll show you guys how it is. Look at this guy. So this is how it looks after. Put Bondo on the top, sanded it down. There's a small line, but I'm gonna wrap it so that line is not gonna be visible. It's just the cracks, and then it's the inside of the Bondo. So it's ready to go. I'm gonna put wrap around right here, these edges between this is the rear lip, and this is the bottom. But I'm gonna put wrap around this gap so air doesn't go in and maybe cause it to push it off, or get some aerodynamic gains up in here. But yeah, I'm putting wrap around it. Hopefully it stays on. If the wrap doesn't work, I'll probably put rip up a cloth and then super glue it all around, cover the gap. That might work. Or if not, just Bondo, put a cloth of put a cloth of fiberglass and just seal it like that. But we'll see. So for the front lip, put that bolt right there, and I put some rivets right there. That's holding it so far. I also installed these right here. I put those right there. I also put some 3M tape right here, but it didn't stick well. I'm gonna have to redo that. The other side did stick. And then also right here underneath, there's also tape underneath the door panel for the rear lip. And there's a bolt there. I put these there. That one there. And I put those there. Because this one, the tape on this one's holding. And I put those there. And that's how it looks.